Kevin? Kevin, how are you this morning?
Fine.
I see. I'll be coming back in an hour or so. Is there anything I can do for you?
Fine. If only you knew, Doctor. Doctor, I saw a doctor when I was 8. I broke my wrist. No one ever knew. I had a friend. His name was Andrew, but never a girlfriend. Her name was Becky. She was amazing. Talked to me once. Not like my mother. She talked too much. Yelled a lot, too. Father was weak. Mother was harsh.
Kevin? Stop that right now!
What? No, don't, Mother. I didn't know. Please. I'll be good. I promise. Please.
Kevin, don't worry about it, Kevin. It'll be all right.
Dad? Dad, what are you doing? Help me. What do you mean, all right? Do something. Don't just sit there, please.
Kevin.
Andrew, how are you? I've been waiting for you. You're the only one who can help me. You're the only one who ever helped me.
Are you okay, Kevin? What are you doing? You don't look too good. What's going on?
You don't want to know. This place, they're all crazy. And the doctors, they don't understand. They would never understand. I try, but they can't hear me. Nothing comes out. Can you get me out of here?
What do you think you're doing? Don't even think about it, young man. This is how it is, and there's nothing you or anyone can do about it.
Yes, Mother. Of course. What was I thinking? Please forgive me. I'll be good. I'll be good.
Kevin?
Becky? I knew this day would come. Can you help me?
Kevin!
You're a nice guy, Kevin. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Becky! Come back! No. Where is everyone? Come back. Don't leave me.